In this video I will show you how to pip install a pull request like it was already merged with the newest changes. So now I have a repository here that has a pull request I want to try out, and because we're going to be merging a pull request only in our local repo on this virtual machine, we want to start out with cloning this repository. And we're going to go into pull requests here. Now I want to test out this pull request here because it brings a lot of cool changes that I want to try out, and you can see it from last year. But I want to merge it with all the newest changes that have been going on since then to test if this all works. You can see that this pull request is not made in this integrated repository because apparently this guy forked it to his repository. So I'm just going to set this guy's fork as a remote. We can check what remotes we have by doing git remote, and we can see that this just has the URL called origin that just points to the original repository that we cloned from. So we want to use the git remote add command now. So I'm just going to paste here the original URL, but change the Jupyter user to Songka, because that was the guy that forked the repo and we want to pull his multiple courses branch. Oh yeah, we have to add here upstream. Has to have a name, and we're going to do git pull upstream multiple courses. So now we can see that these are all the changes that this guy made, and we can see here if we could do remote that yes, this has been added with the name upstream. So guys, now it is basically like I've already merged this pull request here in my local repo. So now I want to pip install this. You do pip install E and the current directory. And now I've successfully installed Upgrader with all these new changes. So guys, I'm gonna go test this out. Goodbye for now.